Oh man, you guys gotta stop hiding in my pantry. You're gonna give me a heart attack. It's crazy that you're in here though, because last week when you were in here, we remade McDonald's Filet-O-Fish sandwich at home, and it was incredible. And today, we are actually remaking Bonefish Grill's Bang Bang Shrimp. This is one of my favorites, but it's even better when you make it at home with fresh ingredients. And it's actually so easy that I was just in here to grab some tacos so we can turn them into some incredible Bang Bang Shrimp tacos. Hey, this is the at-home series where we remake famous restaurant meals here at the house. Today, it's Bonefish Grill's Bang Bang Shrimp. Let's go. What's going on, everybody? My name is Farnum, and you are now watching the at-home series here on More Seasoning. Today, we got a fire one. Before we jump into it, please scroll down, hit that like button, and hit that subscribe button. It helps more than you know. And drop a comment below and let me know what you want to see here next on the at-home series. It's Bang Bang Shrimp time. Let's get into the breakdown. Let's jump into the breakdown. Let's start. We have some tiny little itty-bitty shrimp in here, and they are in some soggy bread. It's just kind of like slothing off the shrimp. As you can see, it does smell good, so I'm not gonna hate on them. I mean, I'm a fan of this. I'm just making it at home. But yeah, it looks like we got some tiny little shrimp with some breading. It looks like they forgot to devein a couple of them. That's pretty gross. And then we've got the Bang Bang sauce, the infamous right here, a very simple concoction. And of course, it is just sitting on a bed of spring greens, some lettuce, some shards, and yeah, that's about it. Let's remake it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is start with our Bang Bang sauce, and we are gonna do half a cup of some Kewpie mayo. Oh my God. Next, we're doing a 1/4 cup of Mayploy sweet chili sauce. Then we're doing a 1/4 cup of Sriracha. And then we're just gonna add about a teaspoon of some coconut aminos. This is just a healthier version of soy sauce, and it adds a little more sweetness and depth to it. Now we mix. All right, we are pretty close. Trust me, I know it's a little bit darker, but that's only because we added those coconut aminos and it just kind of deepened that color up, but this is fire. All right, now we're gonna make our batter. I'm gonna go in with about 3/4 cup of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, all right, a teaspoon of cayenne, a teaspoon of fresh black cracked pepper, and about a teaspoon and a half of salt. And now we whisk. All right, now we've got our shrimp. I have 1 pound here, and I'm just gonna put that into a bowl. And now I'm just going to cover the shrimp with some buttermilk until they're all completely covered. And this is basically gonna allow that cornstarch and the seasonings to stick to the shrimp when we put it in the fryer. Give it a shake, make sure everything's covered. All right, now we're gonna shred up some purple cabbage. Now I'm gonna cube up a Roma tomato. Next, we're gonna dice up a red onion. Now we're gonna roast some corn, and now we're gonna add some fire roasted corn to our slaw. Now we're gonna add the juice from half a lime. All right, now I'm gonna add a little bit of mayo, nothing crazy because we already have mayo in our sauce, and I just wanted to kind of bring this all together. So now we mix after we put some salt in it. I see that you now know that we're going to add this avocado to a bowl. All right, now we're gonna add just a squeeze of lime to this avocado so it doesn't oxidize. Now we're going in with just a pinch of our guacamole seasoning. If you wanna know how to make this and the best guac ever, just, oh God, that was loud. Click this card up here, let's go. Just a pinch of salt and a smash. Don't turn it into baby puree because we want it rustic and chunky. All right, and lastly, we just gotta finely chop up some chives. All right, at this point, you should have everything prepped out. We're gonna hit the stove right now, and all we're gonna need over there is our shrimp and our wet and our dry. We're gonna fry these shrimp up really quick, and then we're gonna put these tacos together. Let's get it. All right, me and Tips are over here at the stove. This is what the setup's looking like right now. We got our deep fryer. If you don't have one of these, you can just do a deep pan, 3/4 of the way full with oil at 365. And then over here, I've got my dry, my cornstarch and seasoning, and then my shrimp and my buttermilk. All right, so go ahead and pull your shrimp out. We're just gonna shake that buttermilk off. Bam, toss them into the cornstarch. And we're just gonna repeat with a handful of them. All right, and all we're gonna do is give that a shake. Oh my God, it's getting everywhere. Give it a shake, and then we're gonna use our other hand and just make sure that those are fully coated. And then we're just gonna shake any of that extra off. And load your shrimp up. We're gonna drop them 365 for about 2.5 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. Let's go. Give it a little shake, make sure they don't stick, and we're good, baby. All right, it's been about 2.5 minutes. Let's pull them out. Sheesh. Those are perfect. I mean, crackly, crispy, golden brown. What we're not gonna do is put them on a paper towel, guys, because all the steam and moisture that is gonna generate in that paper towel is gonna soften our shrimp up. So we're just gonna put them on a wire rack right here, just like that, and we'll let them drain. So I got my tortillas ready. They're nice and hot. I did them right over the open flame, or you can warm them up in a pan. And I've got all of my crispy, beautiful bang bang shrimp, soon to be bang bang shrimp. You know what? I'm not gonna do anything else besides watch the B-roll. Let's go. All right, so here we are, and it is time for the taste test, but also, we got Lou. We're gonna go in for a taste test in 3, 2, 1. Oh man, that is gas.
What you did with that I really like is that you went back on the spicy a little bit. Give it a little bit of sweetness with the coconut aminos. Low key my favorite. You should take that soy sauce out. The batter's nice and crispy, seasoned.
It's perfect. So traditionally, these are completely coated in the sauce, but again, I wanted them to stay crispy because we had to shoot all the B-roll. These are not hot, unfortunately, but on a flavor scale, those are good. Wait, before we hit the tacos, come on. Like, these are just, granted, these are a little old, but the flavor's not there. Jacqueline's in the background like, I want a taco so bad.
Come on, let's go.
This is her waiting. That's Jacqueline waiting for a taco. Bang Bang Shrimp Tacos in 3, 2, 1.
That guacamole hits, yo.
Oh.
It really hits.
Oh my God, it's so good, it f***ing hurts.
This slaw balances the spiciness out so freaking well.
The crunchiness of the shrimp, crunchiness of the slaw, the softness of the avocado.
Let me get a plate to go.
Yo, to go. Andale, papi. You know what this is me doing?
You see this?
It's me spanking my own ass.
Hey, yo.
This is not a dig on Bonefish. They inspired this dish. This is my version of their recipe, so you can make it at home. Incredibly easy. All right, Lou, Starch scale.
It's a 5. You know what I'm saying? It's a 5.
Love
all
to
the
hear
flavors
that.
together, the guacamole, the fried seasoning, the sauce, and the slaw. Bunch of flavors going around. Bang, bang, you know what I'm saying?
Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, when it comes to the at-home version of the Bang Bang Shrimp plus the tacos, he's pissed. That is a solid 5 out of 5 star recipe. 2 for 2 here on the at-home series. Hey, real quick, before y'all peace out, please scroll down, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below and let me know if you plan on making this or what you want to see on the next at-home series. My name is Farnum. This is More Seasoning. That's my dog Lou right there in the back. What a vibe. Hey, we out.